When using area section elements for sampling analysis, see Mold Simulator 3D Tutorial 1. Properly modifying their shape is crucial. We'll show you some tips to handle them easily. By default, the four corners are moved on the element's plane when dragging them on the green area. The same happens if you move them outside the project's geometry here in yellow. If you do move them on a green area and you hit the project's geometry, they will be snapped there. While moving them, you can hold the Tab key down to extend the green area and give priority to the element's plane. Control points on the middle of the edges always move on the element's plane. You can hold the Control key down while moving them to make the section element a square. Remember that Control can also be used during creation to add a square area section element. By default, position is always snapped to vertices and segments. You can disable this behavior by holding the space key down. Movements can also be restricted to specific axes by holding the X, Y, or Z keys down. You can also perform geometric transformations on the whole shape. Just double-click on a section element's label and choose one from the list. You can also create area elements with a simple double-click on a surface. The area will cover all the coplanar surfaces. Linear section elements can also be created with a double-click on a segment.